that you normally do. So that's it again. Bang, bang, ha. And then you keep the lower wrist, bang, keep the head, bang. Boom, boom, yep. So 2 hands, I see the hand look back. Just keep the foot down. If you call my eye, I'll look back every time. Pull it up. Okay? Like this. Move, yeah? Move. Yeah. This is move up here. Yeah. So you fight like that, okay? Over here. Move. Tell you. Yeah. Use the thumb and pull up. You move, yeah? Yeah, pull it more right. More. Pull it. If you punch in the stomach, so lower, bang. So top side, back there, faster. Something, yeah? Arm on side, yeah? So from here, bang, bang, here. Just slowly. So top down, like clear first, yeah. Bang, bang, bang. Hold the other hand, so last one. See, you're gonna finish it. Come. Like that. So imagine I'm fighting you like this, okay, from here. Just face in front of me, just do the elbow from here. Elbow. Yeah, so like, yeah, so basically I'm fighting like that, yeah. Imagine, yeah, if you do a punch or whatever, I throw a punch, I mean, I'm more like this, yeah, bang up here. Or even sometimes somebody get closer like this, bang up, yeah. So, this one here. Yeah. Okay. Right in the front, yeah. See. I don't know. Follow the hammer, so bang, bang, bang. One more, deep breath. So you want technique, okay? Okay, listen, yeah? One hand like that. What? Push, okay? Back, yeah? And just, yeah? Depending on here, from here, I get from here, yeah. Okay? Yeah. This is like that. So, yeah. Yeah, go back. Yeah, and pull the hand. Just pull it down, yeah. You make sure this hand has to be like. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Cut the blood supply off. Yeah. Go in. Lunge. Okay, good. Again. One more time. That's good. Come on. That's it. Alright, one more.